In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form to a squeeze page Optin in Systeme.io. We'll start from the dashboard inside Systeme.io. Once you're there, look over to the main navigation and click on Sites. From that section, choose Sales Funnels. This will take you to the area where all of your funnels are organized, so you can select the one you want to work on. Next, click on your funnel to open it. Inside the funnel, find the squeeze page or opt-in step you want to edit, and then click Edit Page. That will launch the page builder where you can add and customize the form elements directly on the page. Once the editor is open, go to the left-hand Elements toolbar and scroll down until you find the Form section. This is where the input elements for collecting visitor information are located. When you see the form input element, drag and drop it exactly where you want it to appear on your page. Try to place it in a spot that feels natural for the visitor, usually near the headline, offer, or call to action. After dropping the element onto the page, click directly on the new input box. This opens its settings in the left panel so you can define what information the field should collect. Look for the input type drop-down menu and change it to email. If you plan to use more than one field, for example, collecting both a first name and an email address, you can set another input box to first name. When you change the input type, the placeholder text updates automatically, which helps make the form clearer for visitors. Now move on to the button settings by clicking on Actions. This part is very important because it controls what happens when someone submits the form. In the setting labeled Action when button clicked, change the drop-down selection to Send Form. This is the option that ensures the contact details are actually captured in your database. If this is left on something like Open URL or Next Step, the person may move forward, but their information will not be properly recorded. Right below that, find the option related to double opt-in and also locate the redirect setting that asks whether you want to redirect users after contact registration. Set that drop down to the next step. This way, after someone signs up, they'll be automatically sent to your thank you page or the next page in your funnel, creating a smoother user experience. Once everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your form is now added and configured on your squeeze page in Systeme.io.